That scared me.
And scars on both wrists. Last seen wearing glasses, a black and gray shirt with black striped red letters, multicolored sweatpants, and Crocs. Police are looking for Daniel Diaz, 28-year-old, white, male, 5 feet 8 inches, brown hair, brown eyes, in connection with her abduction. The suspect is driving a gray long pickup truck with unknown license plate number. The suspect was last heard from in Missouri City, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Missouri City Police Department. News media point of contact is Missouri City Police Department at 28140388700. The current time is 8:04 a.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to All Hazards Radio, the voice of the...
That came out of nowhere. And this is a child abduction emergency that was issued for where? Missouri City.